Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. And this video I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail or mixed color at the horn of the deer. You can see here like this with Adobe Photoshop. Just let's go starting going Adobe Photoshop and click open and get the original picture and making a zoom. So now go to the toolbar and select the curvature pen tool, okay, and getting just some zone, and here make a border, okay, like this. When we make the border, just in here under the border, sorry, and under the border just right click and click the make selection and click OK. And now go to the layer down list and go to the Hue Startation. And now in here you can change the color, okay, and here so you can change the brightness, shadow or light, and you can here change the field of color, okay. So if you click here you can see you can change the color with the liner, okay. So this so when we completing, for example, this plans, okay, we need, for example, or we want to change the color of the planes or hair, just click with the curvature pen tool and make a new border again, okay. And now right click under the border and click make the selection and get down here, go down here and select the Hue Startation, and again you can see you can change the color, you can set any color, and here you can change the brightness. So if you see in this video the some planes is colored, it's my edit. It's just try the step by step, okay. You can just retry the all step of the planes, okay. You can just make in here border again. So for example you can see, okay, make selection, okay, and return to the Hue Startation so you can change the color to any color you want. So guys, this video is come to end. I wish if you love this review, don't forget like and share for learning another people's, and subscribe my channel for see more video in next time. So thanks for watching. I'm so sorry my English is not best because I am not Englishman. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you.